everyone, especially to my lecturer. Good morning. My name is Aprilia Kusuma Dewi. My study number ID is 192511226. I am a student of the Bachelor of Information System Study program at UBSI Fatmawati. Today, I am going to present my project for English 2 for Skin on the topic inside the computer and hardware. Let us start with the definition hardware. The physical equipment of the computer system is consists metal, plastic, and other physical device that we can see, touch, and hold. General hardware can be divided into two main categories: input device and output device. Before we discuss peripheral, let's look inside the computer case. The most critical part inside the case is the motherboard, is the CPU, RAM, and other components. On the motherboard, we find the CPU or central processing unit. We call the brain of the computer because process all interaction and data. We have RAM or random access memory, with X as temporary memory to help this CPU handle multitasking for permanent storage. We use an HDD or SSD to save my files as information system study. We also need to know about the PCU or power supply unit and the GPU for the visual data. Now, let's discuss input device. The first category is text input device, like the keyboard with QWERTY layout. The second category is pointing device, like a mouse with the text two-dimensional motion, and another alternative is trackball, which was invented by Tom Kristen and Fred Longstaff in 1950 to 11 years before the mouse. For gaming device, we have joystick for image and video output. First is image scanner, with providers input by analyzing image or printing text. The second type is webcam, a video capturing device connected via USB, known for its low cost. The last category for input is audio input device. One example is the microphone, often called a mark. It is an acoustic to electric transducer that converts sound into an electrical signal. Microphone are used for recording voice and WIP. Now, let's talk about output device. For image and video output, the most common peripheral is the printer. A printer produces a hard copy, which means permanent human-readable text or graphic, like on paper, etched by printer cable or USB cable to a computer. But still, we have audio output device. First, speaker of multimedia speaker with our external speaker with a low power internal amplifier. Second, headphone with a pair of small loudspeaker head close to the user ears. In conclusion, understanding hardware is essential for us. In the information system program, I think that's all for my presentation today. Thank you so much for time and attention. I am Aprilia Kusuma Dewi from UBSI Fatmawati. Goodbye and have a great day.